As a day trader, you need to familiarize yourself with all the patterns. So when the patterns is forming, you are ready to pull the trigger and enter the trade. That's how you make money. In the screen here, do you recognize this pattern? This pattern is the breakout and then develop into a range. The range is horizontal specifically. This is actually the 5-minute chart for US CAD on July the 26th, 2022. So let me show you how to identify this pattern. First, we need to have a breakout, which consists of consecutive either bull bars or bear bars, and then most of the bars are trend bars. Second, we need to have a pullback. The pullback will show the trend is weakening because either the pullback is too deep or the pullback lasts for quite a few bars. Both also mean the trend is weakening. Third, we have another leg. It could be the second leg or the third leg. But the thing is that this leg is getting smaller comparing to the previous leg. Fourth, the pullback is the same as the leg and then it's testing the previous pullback. So when you see it's testing the previous pullback, then you should be ready to trade. This is a good opportunity to enter long. That is because when it pulls back here, it's going to form a value zone horizontally. And then also at the top, there's another range top here. So the whole range is a horizontal range. Basically, the good opportunities will be here when it tests the value zone but failed. It's not penetrating. Testing means test and then pulls back right away. And then there's another time of the testing of the zone here. You can see that it pulls back. So both are good opportunities to trade, but with the same direction as the breakout.